So, hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you guys how I download media from Patreon using a Chrome extension called Patreon Media Downloader. It's super easy and let's get started. So first you need to install this extension, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Patreon Media Downloader, and I will link the link to the description, and you just need to click the blue add to Chrome button, and I would since I've already installed it, so I won't click it again, and you guys go ahead and do that. And once the extension is installed, just visit any Patreon post with media, and you can see immediately in the screen a red download icon is injected in each post. So it is actually quite intuitive. And say I would like to download this media, so I just click the download button here. And since it's your first time, you will need to log in or sign up, and just click the sign up in the extension to complete the sign up process. So pause the video here if you need time to sign up, and I will be right here when you're done. So after signing up, you will see the extension's dashboard, which shows your available credits. So since this is your first time, you will likely have to buy credits. And to buy credits, just click the purchase credits button on the right hand side and follow the steps to add credits. And after you have enough credits, you can just head back to the Patreon post and click the red download button again, and log in if prompted. Log in and download, and voila, your download will start automatically. Just wait a few minutes, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and it will be done. So that's it. Thank you guys, and you now know how to download Patreon Media with this Patreon Media downloader extension. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found this helpful, drop a like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave in the comments below and we'll figure it out. See you next time and have a great day.